I was curious about my genealogy, so I sent a saliva sample to Ancestry DNA, and I just got the results back, and it turns out that I'm part English, part Scottish, and part Jack Russell. Which explains a lot. Because I love animals so much. Oh. I commented the other day that I don't know that I could have actually given birth because I can barely get through a gynecological exam. And a friend of mine goes, "Oh, you'd do it in a heartbeat if you'd have Cocker Spaniels." Yes, I would. If I could have puppies, I'd have a litter right here. And if I see a baby anything, my milk comes in. I love them so much. I was down in Tallahassee, Florida, and I'd gone to the duck ponds to feed the ducks. Well, here come a mama duck and a whole bunch of babies, and I'm trying to make sure they all get a bite. And out of nowhere comes this little girl and scatters the ducks. And her mother goes, "Amy, don't you chase them babies back in the water without their mama." So in a minute, here come the ducks. I'm trying to feed them. Here comes Amy. "Amy, I am not going to tell you again. Don't you chase them babies back in the water without their mama." 10 more times she told that child she wasn't going to tell it again. Finally, I walked over and I said, "Amy, unless you want to go in the water without your mama, stop it." Because my mama didn't tell me she wasn't going to tell me again, then tell me 10 more times. If I didn't do what I was told, I got knocked in the head. That's why I'm amazed today when I hear these reports that some kid was building a bomb in his parents' garage and they had no idea. If I'd been building a bomb in my parents' garage, not only would my mother have sniffed it out, she'd have stuck it up my rear end and lit it. And that would have put an end to the bomb building.